In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to see how many hours you have played a game on your PlayStation 4. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. When you log into your PlayStation 4, if you go over to your account library, maybe go into the applications or games purchased, you might notice that there isn't any details about the amount of hours you have spent to play them anywhere to be seen. Even if you open up to details about the game, no info about the playtime is displayed. As you probably know, this is a default feature on the PlayStation 5 that just allows you to see the amount of hours you have played on any game on your library. Is there a way to enable this feature for any PlayStation 4 games you have? Sadly, as of today, the PSN or PlayStation does not allow you to see the amount of hours you have spent on a game on your PlayStation 4. Unless the game has an in-game tracker that allows you to see the amount of hours you have on a save file or inside the game, as of today it is impossible to see the amount of hours you have spent playing a game on your PlayStation 4. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to see how many hours you have spent playing a game on your PlayStation 4. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.